The painting you see here, I've titled His Excellence, is more than just a new piece of artwork to me. It's a tribute, a profound tribute to an animal that holds both personal and spiritual significance in my life. This majestic bull elk is not only a symbol of strength and beauty, but it's also served as a foundation to my family's diet for decades. Elk meat has been a staple in our lives, connecting us to the land and its rhythms. Hunting these animals is a tradition deeply rooted in respect. I feel a connection to elk that goes way beyond the physical. It's a spiritual bond. It's like the reverence that the indigenous people held for the animals that sustained them. His Excellence was crafted with every fiber of my creative ability, honoring that bond. Each stroke of my brush is filled with the respect and admiration I feel for these animals. This painting was kind of a way of giving thanks. I had to capture the majesty of a bull elk and keep its spirit alive, not just for me, but for the people who view it. I want people to feel the same connection and the same reverence when they view this painting. So there it is, the backstory on His Excellence. I have the usual prints available on this piece, and the original is now officially complete and ready for anyone who's interested in investing in original art. Please feel free to DM me or private message me if you'd like more information on that.